What's up, everybody? Today we're at Pho Ha number 7 in Riverside, California to try their massive pho challenge on for size. It's 2 pounds of beef, 2 pounds of noodles, and about a gallon of beef broth for the adventurous diner who just can't get enough. Finish everything, the broth and all, in 90 minutes or less and you'll score a free meal, a $50 gift card, and your picture on the Wall of Fame. I was eating alongside Brandon, the garbage disposal, who was visiting Southern California back in August. With no fanfare, no BS, and no Stalin, it's time for a humongous feast of pho. So you're gonna see some crazy crap happen right now. To my right is Brandon, the garbage disposal.
The co-worst.
He takes down massive food challenges, so be sure to check out his channel, the link down below.
Yes, look at this.
Boom!
Secret weapon.
We got some boba straws. Do you do forks?
I do 2 forks. Cause they say
Yeah, I
chopsticks are quicker. I said, you know what's quicker than chopsticks is 2 forks.
That's true. You got a bunch of forks there, right?
Yeah, I got you some. I got some over here. I got some over for me.
Awesome. All right, let's see how hot this is.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Let's eat. How hot is it?
It's not hot. Well, parts of it are hot. I hope everyone's having a great week as we head into that holiday season. There's no cure for the cold winter blues, quite like a giant bowl of steaming hot soup. Actually, make that 2 giant bowls of steaming hot soup. This challenge bowl is deceptively large and is easily 3 times the size of their normal large bowl. It costs $35, but anyone who downs it in 90 minutes or less eats it for free. It's a pretty good deal if your gut can handle about 1.5 gallons of volume.
Cup of ice work real good, man.
What's that?
Cup of ice work real good.
Brandon, the garbage disposal, is no stranger to big meals, and they don't call him the garbage disposal for nothing. But he was trusting me on this choice of a pho challenge. This actually turned out to be the best tasting pho challenge he's ever attempted, and I think that motivated him to turn in an incredible performance. I don't think I'd seen such phenomenal soup slurping up close before. The soup may have been scalding, but the garbage disposal turned his gears up to level 10, employed some smart strategies, and left the diners in that restaurant with an unforgettable sight that evening. It's a really cool thing when you're doing a challenge with someone who totally dominates the food and everyone in the place just can't stop but watch and react. Pho isn't for everyone, but I enjoy the beefy flavor the broth provides.
What was mine or yours?
Oh, definitely yours.
I just need 1 if you need that. You need more?
No, I'm good. I got 2. The cuts of beef are going to raise eyebrows for some, but I've come to enjoy the tendon tripe meatballs and flank steak you find in the combination bowl. The noodles are worthwhile too. They're a little lighter than your typical pasta noodles. And they have a clean flavor because they're not drenched in tomato or butter-based sauce. I know it's not spaghetti, but that's partly why I enjoy this change of pace. That's nuts. I grew up eating a lot of spaghetti and lasagna, so Asian cuisine like pho and sushi has always been a treat for me. Unfortunately, watching me eat pho isn't the most graceful thing in the world.
The garbage disposal.
Holy cow. Wow. Even they're impressed.
You've done it.
All right, close. 19. All right.
To his leg.
Just put the food in my mouth here.
Another one.
I'm on a diet.
It's hard enough for me just to edit this video. I don't know how you can watch it. I do okay eating sushi with chopsticks, but I haven't yet ventured to eat noodles with chopsticks. The meat and noodles are delicious, but it's when the broth comes in that this big bowl becomes filling.
They want to talk to you.
Can we stay in the camera? What's that? I'll stay in the camera.
Come on, it's up to you. You can do what you want.
No,
all good.
I'll stay in the camera.
Feels it.
Hey, you guys want the card? YouTube? You can check it out on YouTube.
For whatever reason, my camera glitched when I went to go wipe my face there, and the video file froze. It was pretty much corrupted, so I got about 10 minutes of looking at myself wiping my face. But when I put the file through three different editors, I was able to salvage the end of the video. But there is about 20 seconds in the middle there that's gone forever. But the audio survived intact for whatever reason. It's really weird. Technology is the most frustrating thing in the world sometimes. But the good news is you can check out the full video on Brandon's channel, and you can see his point of view. Thankfully, I was able to save the rest of this video so I can present it to you here on Freak Eating. Just a few ounces of broth to go and we're home free. That's honestly the true test of taking down this big challenge. You can really feel that salty, meaty broth completely fill up your insides. It makes the end mildly painful and slow going, but with 90 minutes there's really no reason to rush.
You're watching me, right?
Oh, you know, I did it in like 12, 13 or something. Yeah. I take a picture of it, so I don't forget.
I think I'm done. Wow. Oh yeah. And we never spoke of it again. Yeah. Thanks. Oh man. Go for it. That's what it's all about. Thank you. It's the moment we've all been waiting for.
And boom goes the dynamite. Around 25 minutes, I was given the all clear, and that's 2 more winners for the Pho Ha number 7 Wall of Fame. For our efforts, we got free meals and $50 gift cards to boot. Be sure to check out the Garbage Disposal channel for more awesome feats of food. He's a really cool guy to hang out with, but he will eat your lunch if you're not looking. He is that fast, and he's also fast when it comes to publishing tons of content to his YouTube channel, which I have linked down below. If you're a food fan, you've got to check it out. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time. Till we eat again, stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.